how to buy the whole point token. So this token it's came under the symbol of point. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on with this token, make sure to go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 292 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It's created 12 hours ago and increased by 1000% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trading number 3 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your funds from my wallet, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and place token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here click on understand. After that, click here and type how much you want to buy. Now this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. After that, click on price it, click on provider, now select Jupiter, click on apply and now go back. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to relax to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy point token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.